MYSWEETY CNC 4540, regarded as the best mid-range CNC router in 2024. Despite its playful name, this machine delivers serious performance. Its advanced 3-axis design and powerful 500V spindle ensure you can handle a wide range of projects with precision. The generous engraving surface of 430 by 390 by 90 millimeters provides ample space for various materials including wood, aluminum, stainless steel, brass, acrylic, leather, resin, and PVC. Setting up the MYSWEETY CNC 4540 is a breeze. With pre-assembled components and neatly labeled wires, you can have it up and running in just 15 to 30 minutes. This machine is compatible with GRBL software and supports both Windows and Mac OS, making it user-friendly whether you're a beginner or an experienced CNC user. The included English manual simplifies the process even further. One of the standout features is the Touch Offline CNC controller. This allows you to run the machine without needing to connect to a computer constantly, offering greater flexibility and convenience. The powerful 500V spindle makes metal cutting straightforward, and the large work surface gives you the freedom to work on bigger projects without feeling cramped. The MYSWEETY CNC 4540 excels at efficiency and precision, making it a solid choice for hobbyists and small businesses. Its robust performance and smooth operation ensure that your engravings come out looking personal. While it may have some limitations in terms of extreme accuracy and included accessories, it offers a satisfying experience for most users. The CNC 4540 is a versatile and reliable CNC router. Whether you're tackling simple or complex projects, this machine has you covered. Good stuff, that's for sure.